Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Maniology M073 collaboration with Never Naked Nails Art. I've started off with unscented peel off base coat here, and this is the Unforgettable. And I'm going to do my base with Vapor High from Super Chick Lacquer. This is such a frosty, yummy, mint, bluey green hollow goodness. It's one of those polishes that makes you want to paint your nails. It's got an insane formula. Excellent. Here goes my second coat. So we're using the other cactus plate, and I just wanted to kind of do something crazy. So we're going to top this off with some of that Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat real quick, and then we're going to get on to the playing. I do have a swatch photo of this all on its own. And here we go with Maniology M073. You peel that blue film off there and clean that plate real quick. So this is the one where you can kind of make faces and add extras to your little cactus. And my vision was something kind of like, you know, like Unicorn Land, Rainbows in Fairyland. So Purple Heart from Sally Hansen, as well as Pink Carnation or Carnation Pink will be my Stampin' Polishes, as well as Brave Steva on the black. And Brave Steva Shutout, it's the white cream. So I'm going to stamp these out with these polishes, and then we're going to do something else to them. So like I said, I was picturing kind of a, you know, not so real desert look, since they were going to have faces and extras and stuff. So just bear with me through this one. And trust me, you'll get a chance to tell me what you think down below. And I want to thank Jill from Never Naked Nail Art for inviting me to do this collab. I really do enjoy doing collaborations. I love seeing what others do with the same, you know, plate or the same polish, you know, your take on the theme. It's just so cool. So as you can see, I'm just plopping these out with different colors on my nails, and I'm starting off with like the cactus image, and they're a little hard to see. I'm going to use my homemade jelly polishes for filling these images in, and on the pink ones I'm going to use the purple jelly, and on the purple ones I'm going to use the pink, well, kind of reddish looking jelly. Like I said, I really wanted this to just kind of be more of a cartoony, like my last cactus manicure was kind of like more real, you know, with the cactus colors and the sunset of a desert and all that. But this one I just really wanted to play and get outside of the box. So you guys are going to get to see me do that here today. So these jellies are working out really well for filling in these images as far as jellies go. I did make a video on this when I did these way back when. If I can remember, I will put a link to them down below. And speaking of links, I will definitely have a link for Never Naked Nails nail art. And I hope you guys will go over and show Miss Jill some love, please. And here's the more pinky red looking one. And we're just going to keep on filling these in. Having a blast with this. Just kind of funny, funky, a little different. And for those of you that have been around a while, you know that sometimes I step so far outside of the box I can't even see the box. And that is the case with this hair manicure. I love playing with jellies, and you know, I was looking forward to doing this. As soon as Jill asked me if I would play with her, this immediately came to mind. Just could not wait. There we go. A little bit more, a little dab dab here. Dot dot dot. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat because I need it to dry down. I am going to do some stamping because I want to put some of those little faces and some of the extras. Hi Woody. How you doing? Woody going to jump in there. And this is a really cute plate, and once again, just like in the last collaboration, that's exactly what I thought when I saw it. Oh, what a cute plate. Oh, how cute. But I had no idea how I was going to use it. So once again, I want to thank Jill for encouraging me to, use this plate. Just use it. Be able to say this is one I have used. I'm using that little piece of tape to get any excess up so I don't transfer that to my design on my nail. So first I'm going in with like all the little faces, the little eyes or sunglasses. How adorable. And they look so tiny on the stamper. It's like, oh, they're so little. So, and chances are I probably should have stopped after putting faces on it. But we all know this girl's got to go overboard. Yeah, we're going to definitely do some overboard here. Just hang on, it's coming. There we go. There they are. They're so cute. I'm going to use the white polish for my extras, like this little tie. And I think I'm going to use the ice cream cone. And maybe the little party hat. Yeah, I'm just going to get crazy with it. I'm just going to keep putting stuff on it until I feel like I'm done. Or until it's full. There's that party hat. And really, that one I probably should have maybe done another time because it's a little too tall. I realized that. So I kind of turn it sideways. He's wearing his hat sideways. But so many cute images on this plate. It was really kind of hard to pick what to use and what to, save for another time. Here we go. Gonna add a party balloon to it. It looks like it'll go over there. And that Huffy Puffy is cotton bed swimming. He just loves to do it when I'm doing voiceovers. And the camera's always on the other side of the house. Oh, and this little ice cream cone. How cute. Oh, I love it. Now, this is not like, one of those grown-up manicures. This is more of like a fantasy kind of, reliving your childhood kind of manicures. This is not something you'd want to wear to a board meeting. But you could wear it to a PTA meeting, probably. Something like that. So here we go. We're going to add these are like little ears, like little cat ears on the cactus. Too much fun. I can't wait to see what Jill came up with. She puts more thought into hers. Y'all, I'm telling you, I just sit down, I grab a plate and some polishes, and I just start slapping on whatever most of the time. Sometimes I've pictured something in my head. But most of the time, I just grab whatever plate's sitting out, whatever catches my fancy, and just do whatever, because it's just nail polish. If you don't like it, you're not stuck with it for months while it grows out or something. I'm using that Maniology smudge-free top coat and the Poshe top coat to seal this one in. I do have a swatch photo coming up here very soon. So I would love to hear what you think about this craziness. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.